In this support video, I will show you how to import products to your MergeCommerce account with Excel. For this process, we already prepared an Excel template for you. You can find it in Product Manager Import tab. As you can see, here is the link for downloading the Excel template. Here is the part that you can upload the document, and here is the import history, the files that I imported earlier. Let's go and check the template together. Here is the template documentation. It's coming with an example in it. According to this information, you can easily create your own list, and then you will be able to choose your file over here and then upload it. Here is the update settings. As you can see, there are two options: override existing product, add new products. If there is an existing product with a different quantity in your list, or the new products, it will upload to your MergeCommerce account. And if you choose this option, then it will overwrite the existing products, but it will ignore the new products. And also here is the skip number of rows for your needs. For example, on your Excel documentation, if you are working on an inventory file and first 3 or 4 rows are, you put some notes on it and you want to update them later on, you will be able to choose the skip rows over here, and you can save it so it will skip the first couple rows. Also, when you go and hold on the columns here, you will be able to see the information about these columns, an explanation, which will make your work easier. So I choose my template, Excel template here, and I choose that the first option for adding new products also. And when you click on save, starting the process, it's in queue. If you want, you can cancel it, or you can check the uploaded file, or when the process is done, you can see the processed file also. Downloaded files will be in CSV, so by using the Excel tools you will be able to open your CSV file also.